हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और मैं आज स्टेनोग्राफी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आप लोगों को नई टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन देने जा रहा हूं, जो कि अब से 15 सेकेंड में स्टार्ट हो जाएगी। 10 सेकेंड लेफ्ट, 5 सेकेंड लेफ्ट, स्टार्ट। मिस्टर डिप्यूटी स्पीकर सर, Railway as a national undertaking and as the main carrier of goods and passengers in the country have no doubt given a good account of themselves, both as regards goods and passenger traffic. Figures have been furnished to us and the rate of progress has been shown. They are improving, though there is still room for improvement. I congratulate the Ministry on some of the amenities and facilities that have been given recently and on the steps taken towards improving the passenger facilities, especially the introduction of sleeping coaches for the passengers. In spite of all the progress that we have achieved and in the light of the information that has been furnished by the ministry, I would like to bring to the notice of the ministry one feature, and I would also like to say whether they have been proceeding in the right direction and whether the anticipated progress will be maintained. Reference to selected commodity movements in relation to production has been made. The Honorable Minister has been pleased to state that the bulk of the production, particularly in the basic industries and heavy industries, has been carried to the extent of 95% by the railways. No doubt it is good thing if we closely scrutinize the list. We would find that the controlled articles or the law rated articles are carried to a greater extent by the railways. In respect of these articles, the railways have been preferred, but where the high rated articles come in, that is articles like cloth, sugar cane, cotton, salt and manufactured fabrics, we find that the railways have not been carrying enough quantities. There has been a admission to this effect by the ministry. It has been said that the railways have not been getting their due income in this regard, owing to the fact that other modes of transport have been encroaching on the railways. This is a serious factor to be noticed. No doubt, the low rated traffic is being carried by the railways, but the cream, that is, the articles which yield greater revenue, is being diverted and carried by other modes of transport. If we take road transport, and the competition of roads, and if we envisage further roads competition in the near future, I wish to state that whereas the capital invested by the railways as against that of the roadways worked up to 25%. Stop. Thank you दोस्तों. Thank you for listening to me. And you must download my video for dictating 10 to 15 times at least, for speeding up yourself by getting any job. Subscribe my channel, comment if you have any problem, must share. Thank you.